That's right, guys. We have two intakes here. We have a Smeding diesel intake, and we have a pusher intake. Now this one is not powder coated. I just want to get that thing put on there. What we were running into before was this had a nice deep groove in it, but this casting right here just sticks out way too far. As you can notice from here to there, this has a more further back gap, so hopefully we can get that banks line over. This is our banks fuel line. Should kind of go like this, and hopefully that's gonna work for us. It's gonna be tight, but I've seen them done, so we're gonna get that. If that doesn't work, we're gonna try to modify that fuel line and see if that will work. Well guys, we got her in. She looks good. It was definitely difficult. This went in nice. As soon as you put your intake gasket in, it changes the pitch. I mean, it changes everything. So it was really tight. Had a hard time putting that in. Now with this being 3.5, this hose is for a 3-inch, and this one was a little bit difficult on there, but we got it on there. Everything's tight, everything's right. This is our Banks fuel line for injection, for injector number 1. So we got the intake on, took her for a ride, and had a fuel line leak. So make sure when you guys put these in, I don't care how tight you think you have that fuel line, go ahead and crank it down a little bit more, because you don't want to have to take it apart like I did for the 3rd time. So we finally got that done, did some testing on it. We'll have another video that's going to come out here pretty soon. We're going to give a review on this pusher intake. So I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.